Welcome once again. Let's talk about LUNC. Right now, Teona Classic holders, most of them are tired of Teona Classic, including me myself. Now, even I also discovered most people that talks about Teona Classic on YouTube, because a lot of them divert into other crypto coins. So many people are tired of Teona Classic coin. But for me, I think for me, I still have my Teona Classic coins. Okay, I have not sell any coins out of the coins that I bought last year. I have not sell any coins. I have not sell any of my Teona Classic coins because I still believe that something can be done. Don't be surprised to see LUNC tomorrow start hitting, deleting 1 or 2 zeros. But I know it's not going to be easy, and the reason why I choose not to sell is because the money that I actually invested on this coin is something that I personally can afford to lose. Okay, so in terms of crypto industry, when I buy coins, I always buy coins with my full chest. So there are some coins I will buy. If let me tell you the truth, there are some coins that I bought as of 2021. I have not even opened to check on those coins. Okay, there are so many coins that I over 7-10 coins, different coins that I actually bought in 2021. I don't even know anything about those coins. I'm not even ready to check them because I have a time frame for them. These are coins that I'm actually planning to leave till end of 2024 or maybe 2025. Okay, so I was like, whatever that will happen, let it happen. I'm leaving this coin, I'm leaving it for a very long time. So maybe in 2025, I still decide to, okay, if crypto industry came over, okay, let me live to 2026, 2027. It all depends how profitable they actually be. And I could decide to withdraw or to withdraw some of the percentage or to withdraw some of the coins. Okay, I might start to withdraw 50%, 70%, but just that I will make sure I am on the profit side whenever I'm withdrawing. Then I will leave the remaining one till 2030. Okay, that has been my plan, that has been my schedule for crypto industry investment. So there are some coins I've actually invested, and for me, I know so many holders are tired of Teona Classic, but you need to know anything can happen. So especially for those that actually lost a lot of money. So for me, if you really lost like $100, $500, $1,000 or Teona Classic during the crash, I think right now, even if you buy Teona Classic worth of $20, $30 or $50, leave it. Anything might happen, but just make sure you are leaving something you can afford to lose, because if with $50, if this coin deletes 2 zeros, you might end up recovering the money you even lost earlier. Okay, and you might even end up making some profit on it. So this is why I really try to say that even though we know a lot of people are tired of Teona Classic, but you just need to have some little patience though. But I'm not advising you to buy more. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw some of the money, still leave a little, because anything can happen with Teona Classic coin. They have good project. They are still working on how to bring this coin back on track. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.